Blessed day, my people. So the topic coming up in this video, the nurse who gave Michael Sharpe the vaccination is getting death threats. And right about now, she's very afraid of losing her life. You understand, people? But before me get into the article and all of that, I need everybody watching this video to go over to my YouTube channel, News Mix. I'm going to put the link for that in the comment section. And also, I'm going to put the link for my Instagram page as well, Mix Up Time 4. Now, yeah, people, I could get into the article. So it says, traumatized, death threats against nurse who vaccinated Michael Sharpe. Death threats have been reportedly being issued to the nurse who administered the AstraZeneca vaccine to the veteran journalist Michael Sharpe, who died on Tuesday, April the 20th. The healthcare worker has reportedly been left traumatized as a result of the threats. Sharpe, who underwent heart surgery in 2020, received his first dose of the vaccine on March the 14th and reportedly developed COVID-19 symptoms days later. He was admitted to the hospital on March the 24th and died nearly a month later. President of the Nurses Association of Jamaica, Patsy Edwards Henry, speaking on television on Wednesday, confirmed that the nurse has been receiving death threats, which she said intensified since Sharpe passed away on Tuesday morning. Edwards Henry said the threats had been on and off since Sharpe admission in hospital in March, with those threatening the nurse blaming his hospitalization on the vaccine. Since Tuesday, when news came of his passing, these threats became more threatening and more dangerous on the life of the nurse who administered the injection, said the NAG president. The nurse has reportedly been bombarded with text messages, and Edwards Henry said it is uncertain how persons got her phone number, but they have been calling and accusing her of causing Sharpe's death. According to Edwards Henry, the nurse, who was merely carrying out her duties, is now a broken woman. She is crushed emotionally. She is demotivated. She feels as if all her work that she has done is all for nothing, said the NAG president. Edwards Henry said the nurse was on the verge of tears when she spoke with her on Tuesday. Meanwhile, Chief Medical Officer Dr. Jacqueline Bisasor Mackenzie, who was speaking on radio on Tuesday, sought to dispel thought that the vaccine was responsible for Sharpe's death. She said it was more likely that the journalist died from the complications related to COVID-19, but noted that the official cause of death is not known at this time. The CMO said Sharpe medical reports suggest that he presented with symptoms of COVID-19, which later worsened, resulting in him being hospitalized. In the meantime, the Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. Christopher Tufton, is urging members of the public to desist from spreading false information and verbally attacking healthcare workers who he said have done their jobs with distinction. In this era of social media, it is very easy for persons to receive false information and to then disseminate the information without checking the accuracy of the information received. I wish to warn those persons who are involved in these type of miscreant behaviors to cease and desist. We are all entitled to our opinion and views, but we are not entitled to abuse others who share other viewpoints, and especially in the conduct of their lawful duties, said Tufton as he addressed the House of Representatives on Wednesday. So yes, people, the nurse is very fearful. And I'm not telling a lie, people. I can't even blame her. I can't cuss her or nothing because the woman carry out her duty. You understand what I say? But of course, say a lot of Jamaicans, well, not just Jamaicans, people in general, them not trust the vaccine none at all. Zane. So you can understand why some of them are going to speculate. And I have to admit, them have reasons for actually don't trust it. I'm not going to tell a lie. Because I can see say it, certain vaccine like the J&J, we hear say it cause blood clotting, or rather AstraZeneca, one of them. But we are hear different things about the vaccine. So a lot of persons doubt it and all of that. So you can't really blame the people them. But at the same time, a lot of false information is also out there. So even myself have to be careful on certain things when I put out there, because I don't want to come back and bite me. You understand what I say, people? So I am not here saying that the vaccine cause it. I mean, I say not it cause it. Whenever them put out the whole information on what caused that whole thing, then me make you know. You get what I say, people? But right about now, the nurse, boy, it's sad still, I'm not telling a lie. I know how some Jamaicans stay and how them even get our phone number too. But no, that does seem kind of weird unless some people leak it out there who actually know her. You understand? Maybe some are co-workers them. You never can tell. People nothing know what's going on in them time, you know. You can't really trust certain people because how our number would I get leaked? Tell me now. So it's sad still, isn't it? The best thing we can tell her to do is change our number You know, a lot of persons don't know how she look and all of them things. You see me? Me nah go show no farmer image or face. You see me, people? If you don't know, you don't know, and so be it. But yeah, man, let me know what you think about this sad situation, you know, the whole thing with Michael Sharpe. You don't know, say everybody does. You know, when you grow attached to them people here by watching them on TV, after something like this happen, you know, a lot of persons just feel down and all them things, you see me? But leave in the comments and let me know what you think about this. And also, don't forget to follow my YouTube channel, News Mix. And as I say, I'm going to put the link for that in the comment section. And also follow my Instagram page, Mix Up Time 4. Bless up on yourself and keep safe. I'm out.